I am now going to demonstrate how we would correctly lay out the hanger spacing as if we were working on a full-length end cap run piece of gutter. We're going to lay out our hanger spacing working 6 inches from the end cap, continuing on 2-foot spacing. So we're going to mark out 6 inches, 2 foot 6, 4 6, 6 6, 8 6, and so on. To mount these hangers, what we're going to want to do is line up on our marks, keep the pressure on the front so the front tab stays tight, and we're going to bend that over. We're going to pull the pressure back towards the back of the gutter and roll the back tab over, just as so. And we're going to go around and we're going to continue to do that and get all the hangers mounted up. Now, if we were to continue off of this run of gutter in a straight run, what we're now going to want to do is start the next piece of gutter with a 1 foot 6 measurement, which continues on our 2 foot spacing, so on. I am now going to demonstrate how to install some of the Lindab components, starting with the end cap. These end caps are universal and can be used left hand or right hand. In this scenario, we're going to install it to the left hand of the gutter, so we are going to remove the tab from the back side. Once we have our end cap installed, we will place the hangers to the adequate hanger spacing. Okay, so we're now going to demonstrate how to install the miter, creating a 1-inch ferrule. We're going to interlock the lips on the front of the gutter and roll the gutter over 1 inch. We're now going to show how to install the gasket. Using the small notch on the back of the gasket, we're going to line that up with the bottom of the miter. I will now bend the tab down, locking the gasket into place. As you can see now, this system is completely mechanical and requires no sealant.